What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple Airprint for your Epson EcoTank printer. So today guys, I'm using an Epson EcoTank ET2900 series. However, if you do have a different model of EcoTank, that's completely okay guys. They will work, this tutorial will work for any EcoTank guys. They all have the same software and hardware pretty much, and they all have Apple Airprint compatibility. Now, it's actually really easy guys. All you need to do is be connected to the Wi-Fi and then it works. There's not much more to it than that. So the first thing you want to do guys is make sure your EcoTank is on and connected to the Wi-Fi. Now I will show you quickly how to access the Wi-Fi settings if you haven't done that already, but if you want a full comprehensive setup guide for the Wi-Fi and everything else, I do have a guide in the description on how to do these things. Now so the first thing you're going to do guys is make sure your EcoTank is on and you're on the control panel guys. So if you do have a control panel, this is a lot easier, but you want to go back a few steps or just go around the home page, like with these buttons, until you find Wi-Fi setup here. So you just want to press OK. And then guys, Wi-Fi is the easiest one to do. So you just press OK again, and then you go to the Wi-Fi setup wizard, which is basically just like connecting to the Wi-Fi from your phone. It will search for the Wi-Fi and select the top one that is recognizable to you, as that will be the strongest one. And then you want to enter in your password with these little characters here. You can find capitals, numbers, and symbols just by going here and pressing OK. And then once you've entered in your password, guys, just press OK at the bottom. I do have a more in-depth guide or a guide on how to do this via your phone in the description if you do want that, as it might be a little bit easier for some people. But let's assume we have already connected to the Wi-Fi, guys. Really easy next step. You just want to open up your phone and make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi that your printer is on. Okay, so we're going to see here, and then what you want to do guys now is just to press share. So you want to go onto the photo or document that you want to print, and you want to make sure you obviously have some paper loaded in the rear paper feeder of your EcoTank, and you want to go and make sure you press share, and then you want to press print here guys. So the button in the bottom left here, this is the one you want to go for. It should be the same on a document or a PDF or something if you're trying to do that. You just want to find this button here and then scroll down to print. And then guys, if you're on the same Wi-Fi as your printer, you should just automatically see it come up here. And then you have all these options you can do. You can print in color or not. You can do media quality, all of these things guys. And when you're ready, just press print. And I'm going to show you, as you can see, very super easy guys. Apple Airprint is something that all printers should have nowadays. It's quite honestly, it's really good tech, but it's quite old now. So it's the industry standard, I would say, for printers. So as we can see, the lovely paper tray has come out, and we can see that it is now printing. And I'm just going to cut back to when that's done. Okay guys, as you can see, through Apple Airprint, we've gotten this lovely printout. And yeah, that is it guys. I hope that this helped. This will work for documents and PDFs as well. So thank you guys very much for watching. If this did help guys, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And guys, if you are looking for any printer supplies like paper, ink, cartridges, even a new printer guys, make sure to check out our sponsor down below. They do worldwide shipping, really good prices on printer products. You can get your really good quality off on-brand stuff or the off-brand stuff, which is honestly similar quality. We normally just buy that. But guys, check them out. You'd be helping out a small business and you would be helping out us, and we would really appreciate it. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.